Bear downloads a report several times a day to monitor the number of participants and participating vendors in each event. Participants cannot be over 100 while vendors should be 10 or more for the event to start. Management thought it would be a good idea to highlight those numbers for immediate action. While he can manually eyeball the data and highlight them, or even use the filter to do it, it would be much faster if a template like this can automatically highlight the numbers after he replaces it with the new data. We can do that with conditional formatting. The name itself is pretty self-explanatory. To format if it meets a condition. Let's clear the formatting by pressing Ctrl Z. Select cell B2 as the starting point. Press Ctrl SHIFT down arrow key to select the whole data. Click on Home tab. Select the conditional formatting icon. There are many basic ones we can choose from. Choose Highlight Cell Rules. Greater than is the option we need for number of participants. It tells you that it will format cells greater than a specific number, which we will indicate as 100. We can leave the formatting as light red fill with dark red text. Press OK to confirm this conditional formatting. Do the same for column C by clicking on cell C2. Ctrl Shift down arrow key to select the whole data range. Home tab. Conditional formatting icon. Highlight cell rules. But this time we want it to be greater than or equal to 10. Seems like there are no such options shown, so click on More Rules at the bottom. In here, we can choose more options from the drop-down. Choose greater than or equal to, the second last option. Input the number 10 here and click on Format to choose the color we want to show if it is 10 and above. People normally choose the Fill tab to highlight the cell when the condition is true. But if you wish to, you can click on Number tab to play with the number formatting. Font tab to change the font type, style, size, color, etc. Border tab to add borders to the cell. We shall use Fill and add in a color of your choice. Press OK to confirm the formatting, and OK again to confirm the condition you set. Unlike manually highlighting, all this formatting change accordingly based on the numbers in column B and C. To simulate new downloaded data, you can click on Updated Numbers Worksheet. Copy the data by pressing Ctrl C. Go back to Template Worksheet to paste the data. Click on cell A2 and press Ctrl V to paste. You see the formatting changes accordingly. Other basic kinds of conditional formatting can help you identify duplicates. Highlight some top or bottom percentage based on your selection. Add in some data bars like mini charts within your cells, and this is also based on your selection. Color scales and icon sets are using similar concept. What if you need to highlight the whole data row instead of the current one cell per row? What if you need some complex condition that is not inside the basic conditional formatting we saw? Our next two videos are going to cover on how we can do that. I feel like there's something I want to say but I can't seem to remember. Maybe if you just look around.